Alright, so I don't know if you guys remember, but last time we were out here, we saw them digging up this at my local forest preserve. Seems to be a new path. So I'm going to follow it, even though it's not technically open. I don't care. I'm curious what the hell this is. Oh my, there's a huge open space over here. I'm really curious what this is. And what that is. I mean, look at that. This is a humongous open space. So we're gonna check it out. This looks to be some sort of road that they're constructing. And it appears that this is going to be some sort of addition to the forest. I'm assuming. I mean, I have no idea what this is. But, probably shouldn't be here. But, I'm curious. There's another road over there. What is this? This isn't private property, so there's no trespassing sign, so I'm just gonna check it out. I see a street right over there, so maybe this is... I see deer tracks on the road. I don't know, this is really funky. We should check this out. There's construction stuff and trees over there. This is really funky. I'm gonna flip the camera around. I'll show you what this looks like on my point of view. It's just an open field. There's where I just came from. Yeah, it's just an open field right now. This is really weird. So, just walking on the side of it, see some tractors. Something tells me this just isn't right. I don't know. You know what? This is an extension. It definitely is. It's weird to see this, though. Because, yeah, the path goes in a circle like that. I bet you this is an extension. Or this is part of Farmer Bob's house, and I'm gonna get, shot in a second, but it connects to the road, so it's not like it's not like I had to hop any fences to get here. Yeah, this is freaking weird. Yeah, like I said, the road is right there. You can see it. There's a traffic light right there, and you can see there was a car that just went over there. I'm gonna check it out. Oh, man, it is so hard to tell. I have no idea what this is gonna be, but it looks really cool. This is a building. This is going to be a building of some sort. They do have the sign to the right of me. There's some nasty water bottles. Yeah, this is gonna be a building. This is just the weirdest. I've never been to a construction site before. Holy shit. So I'm at this construction site, and I just found a 12 gauge. What is this? Winchester AA Plus. What is this? Skeet. It's a skeet shooting round. And I just found this in the middle of the construction site. What the fuck? And I know they use 12 gauge for actually construction, if you didn't know that. It's not very common, but For a big project, sometimes they shoot a 12 gauge in the ground to like dig out stuff, or plant crap in the ground. But it's very very rare. It doesn't happen all that much, except like out in the middle of nowhere. And this isn't really in the middle of the nowhere. There's a road right there, so it's kind of odd that this would be the case. But yeah, it's really funky, and it is just covered in dirt. I don't have my knife on me. I forgot to bring it today, so can't really get that dirt out. It's definitely used because you can kind of see the divot where they hit the primer, but yeah, that's kind of messed up. It just, leaving a 12 gauge out in the elements, that's a little concerning. That's kind of what I'm getting at. I don't know if that's the best thing to be doing, considering there might just be a few 12 gauges just laying on the ground, live ones that you step on and you blow up. So yeah. Holy crap. So I'm at the parking lot end of the construction site, and I found a box just of these thingamabobs. I don't even know what to call them. Like to place the sod, I guess, in the ground. I don't know. And there's just tons of these boxes of these sod pegs. That's what they are. Yeah, and there's tons of sod, obviously. If this is sod, I don't think that's sod. That's hay. Why is there hay over here? I don't know. It's fun, and it smells like. Ugh, just put it up to my face. But yeah, it just smells like hay. Funky crap. And then, yeah, there's some machines over here. Big old machines. Look at that. Man, the thing is like 20 feet tall or more. Holy crap. Some of these machines, just check this out. Yeah, so I just started walking and I noticed these like metal rods. It's like really funky. And there's nails all over. I have no idea what this is. I don't want to touch it, but there's some plastic over here or something. More metal stuff. Now I'm on top of some construction trailer thing. I don't know what this is. Oh, there's a plate. Like a... Oh my god, it bobbles. That's scary. I'm getting off. Yeah, I just opened up that compartment and there was like whatchamacallit, just like fabric bags in there. I didn't open them up because that's not cool. You have no idea what the hell's in there. It could like prick you. I just thought there would be like tools or something in there, which it looks like there might have been. I don't know. Do I want to know what that is? There's like a piece of metal or something. Oh, it's some sort of yeah, I better wash my hands when I get home. That's like some sort of chemical thing. It smells like funky. Some gum wrappers, all sorts of weird crap over here, I'm telling you. So yeah, I wanted to search some abandoned places before, and this just kind of fell right up into my lap. Like I said, I was not looking for this and it just appeared, so I'll happily accept it. Great experience. Very weird, but great. Maybe we'll search some abandoned places in the future that are legal, like I said. I don't know. Let me know. I'll see you guys later. Peace.